we've made it to our destination for this evening.
Mike Roess Gold Head State Park.
But anyways, when we figure out what we're doing, we'll bring you guys along.
Oh, excuse the bug grossness on the windshield, but if you look ahead, there are cabins you can rent here, which that would have been fun in a different way. Maybe sometime, but
We weren't camper people.
if we didn't have a camper to use, that would have been fun.
But we're gonna try and find the ravine, which is...
Are we going the right way, you think?
Well, we're faster on our way in. We're going back towards the Alps, so...
Okay, so this is cool. There's just like a lot of nothing out here, which if you're into that.
Yeah, I mean, it's not... I haven't seen anything super spectacular.
No.
As of yet. We're hoping...
Yeah.
Oh, all the like brush around here is burnt.
Yeah.
And literally across the street from the camp, from the state park, there was a huge fire.
Yeah, we were a little
Like,
nervous.
Like we saw the helicopter with the big bucket, they were dumping water on stuff.
Yeah, I tried to record it, but I couldn't get to the camera
Yeah,
in
like if you
time.
look at all these trees, they're all scorched all around the bottom of them. I like your hat, bro.
Thank you. I hear it.
Oh wow, look at this.
Oh.
Why does it feel? Why does this concrete feel steep?
It's steep. Natural erosion. Who knows what erosion is?
I do.
Tell me, Bubba.
Movement of like rocks and stuff.
This is unsettling that they have that little teeny part boarded off.
Oh wow, it goes really down. Wow.
I want to go all the way down there.
Well, we're going, look at all the stairs go way down to there.
Let's go.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Come on.
Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Guy killed lizard.
We made it down the stairs, and this creek is like crystal clear. I don't know if you can even see the water in there, but it is beautiful. So we're going to go this way. There was like 2 trails here. We picked the one that was a loop. Angie, what do you think of the views here?
Okay,
We gotta get down there.
blown away. I'm sorry, I'm having a moment because when we came in, I was like, this place is boring. There's nothing in here. But now I see you just have to go down, and it's like, look at this. How is this Florida?
Yeah, it looks more like a North Carolina, Tennessee vibes.
I want to climb all the way up there. I would die, but
Is there like a spring? There has to be like a spring right here.
well,
Yes.
we saw people swim. Well, no.
No, like right here, because this water's coming from somewhere.
You think there's a spring that's like hidden?
Yeah, I think there's probably a spring right there, and that's what eroded this area. Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cool.
Is it?
Super cold. is how I stack my firewood. It's easier to carry. We were watching one of En Route with Chuck and Sherry's videos recently, and Chuck had this nice little, almost like a duffel bag kind of thing to roll his firewood up in. And that was cool, and I thought I should get one. And then I didn't. We were getting ready to go,
So we did that instead.
we did that, and it worked.
But Chuck, you were the inspiration behind this,
Chuck
buddy.
was the inspiration. They tagged somebody else.
Oh, did they? Oh, and we keep...
It's a never-ending cycle.
It's a never-ending cycle, so someone feel free to tag us.
I left some drinks, but it's not a twist off, and we don't have a bottle opener.
I think I could twist it off.
You can't twist it off. I've never done this before.
Oh, gosh.
I think.
All right, good luck.
That on there.
Oh, gosh. Ooh.
Liquid came out, but the cap didn't.
Ooh, it smells good, whatever.
Ow.
Ooh.
Now I'm just hurting myself.
Oh. You did it! How does it taste?
Not bad.
Not sponsored by Rolling Rock, but if y'all want to.
Especially not Rolling Rock, because this is Bold Rock.
Oh. Okay.
You got hot dogs for the boys?
Yeah, I'll get them. So these are my Beyond sausage. Highly recommend these if you're plant-based, or even if you're not. They're really yummy. But we'll see how they cook on this thing.
Alright guys, this is what we got for dinner. I'm having leftovers. When I got lunch, I got a whole sub, knowing that I would have some leftover for dinner. Angie has her Beyond sausage, which she cooked over the fire.
It is so good. It is burnt to perfection.
It actually doesn't look too bad. I was
so
expecting it
good.
to be burnt.
Apparently he was saying that I should have waited, but you know what? I regret nothing.
The boys are inside playing on their devices, so they're not hungry at the moment. But we're gonna eat.
Yeah, it's like an hour past our dinner.
I took the bubbles and I spun in circles.
And how do you feel?
Not good.
Not good. Oh, I'm sorry.
What happened was...
What happened
I
was...
took this and I went like this.
Oh gosh. Round two coming at ya. Now take it
Then I
back.
got all dizzy. Alright, gotta sit down for a while.
Okay, old man.
What you got, James?
Marshmallows.
What are you gonna do with them? Awesome!
Yes, baby.
Are you gonna eat them or just burn them?
I'm trying to get one brown, not black.
You gotta hold it further away from the fire.
Like that?
You can get a little closer than
That?
Yeah, like that. And you gotta roll it around. Back on the hike. Campsites are just right over there. The sign says we're going to an amphitheater, but the view over here is awesome. So we're gonna check it out. I think this lake is actually called Big Johnson Lake, which actually looks kind of small at the moment, but I think it's just because it hasn't rained in a while. There is a Little Johnson Lake actually. Kind of feel bad for Little Johnson Lake. Breakfast is ready. Hey friends, we made it through another night in the camper. Angie, what did you think?
It was fine.
Still getting accustomed to sleeping in the camper.
Yeah.
We did find out something new this morning.
What did we find out?
We found the capacity of our holding tank.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we did find that out.
But it's just the gray water tank, so I'm not too concerned about it.
Yeah.
It'll be alright.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey.
I will say, all my muscles are very sore today. And I'm finding that when we go camping, the whole, like, packing up, unfolding, packing up, all of that, like, it takes a toll on my muscles. I didn't realize it. How about you?
That's normal. I work outside. So we're going to go on another adventure when we figure out what we want to do. And we will see you guys there.
In like 5 seconds.
We came to a fork in the trail. We don't know if we're supposed to go that way or that way. I think it's that way, so we're going to go that way first. We're heading back. We decided this is not the right trail. We kind of think that there was no trail, and we were trying to go to something was on my foot. Yeah, giant bugs. I'm good. We were trying to go to something on the map called the Ravine Overlook, and we thought there was a little trail. Turns out, I think where we parked was supposed to be the overlook. Oh well.
Joke's on us.
I mean, it was still a decent hike. But we're going to go to a different hike. So there's where we parked. And this is what we were supposed to see.
Yeah, we were trying too hard, I think.
Alright, next trail. Let's see if this one leads
I
to.
see a lake.
Okay, I think we can find it then. So there's a playground here for the kids. It's not a huge one, but it's right next to this picnic area. And there's a ton of picnic tables all around, most of them in the shade. Also some pavilions not far. You can swim in the lake down there, but I don't really like swimming in lakes too much. And yeah, there's a recreation hall with restrooms over there. And it's a pretty nice place to be, I guess. Nice and shady. And we're just enjoying the last couple hours before we eat lunch and pack up the camper and head out of here. Alright y'all, we're going to leave you here. We're going to eat our lunch, pack our camper up, and hit the road. Good? We're getting there, y'all.